People, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shin. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. So tonight I'm back giving a review on how it's gonna be a review and test wear. So I picked up the new Nars foundation in the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. I picked it up in the shade New Caledonia. This retails at Sephora for I think it's $45, and it's one fluid ounce 30mm standard foundation amount that comes in a package. Y'all know the drill. So I picked this up on a whim just by judging other YouTubers that's actually my skin tone, and I am freaking loving it. It's giving me this airbrush vibe. Guys, I'm actually on my way out for my birthday dinner. Yeah, my birthday is not until Monday, but the 26th, but I'm celebrating from this weekend. So I picked this up and I'm totally in love. This will be a foundation staple in my makeup collection, and I also have a test wear video at the end of me doing the tutorial, so you guys can see how it actually held up for the day, because I wore it today for like 5.5 hours before I actually removed it. So anyhow guys, love you so much. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. A wear test. So I've now had this foundation on for over 5.5 hours. I have to say it has upheld pretty good. It's giving me that glow to my skin. Like, my skin looks really freaking healthy. So far my oils are kind of protruding through, but for me to be having this on for what, 5.5 hours, like I said, I've only blotted two times, and where I live in the Caribbean is like 92-93 degrees, so it's very hot. It's really warm right now. So I have to say that this foundation actually upholds, and it looks really good. It is now my favorite foundation. I just love how it freaking looks on my skin. My skin is just giving me life right now. Like, it doesn't come off by giving me this rough texture on my skin. Like, guys, I'm looking at this camera right now and it's like, ooh, trust me, this is not oil, because trust me, if it was oil, my oily days are just terrible, just a terrible hot mess. but this will now be my holy grail foundation. I will be wearing this, but this, because it's so expensive on the price point, I will only be wearing this when it's like special occasion, because I freaking love it. I love it. And you guys know I live in the Caribbean, so I don't have access to be going to Sephora when it runs out. So yeah. So anyhow guys, thank you so much, and that is my wear test video on this bum ass foundation.